Hello students, how are you all? Yes, you all are fine. Okay, doing your work at home? Yes, very good. So now, today our subject is English. We have started revision, you all know, no? We have started revision and now FA3 exam is coming, no? So for that we are starting revision. So you all do revision at home properly, okay? So understand it well, okay children? So what revision we will do? Fill in the blanks of lesson 7 and poem 8. I hope you all have completed your fair book as well. Okay children, you all have completed? Yes. So now see, what we will do? FA3 revision. Now in last lecture we had done revision of meanings. Okay. So today we will revise fill in the blanks. Okay. But we will remember these. Okay. We will recall meanings. Okay children, and then we will complete fill in the blanks. So are you ready to do this? Fill in the blanks. First we will revise meanings, then we will do fill in the blanks of lesson 7, poem 8. So are you ready to revise? Yes, very good. So now see your lesson 7 meanings. Okay, now you all have learned these meanings. So wonder. Now what is the meaning? Wonder. You all have known. Then number 2 is always. Okay. Number 3 is reaches. Number 4, cucumber. Number 5, raining. Okay children, so there are 5 meanings in lesson 7. So you have done this in your fair book? Yes, so tell me, wonder, always, the meanings, reaches, cucumber and raining. Okay children, so you all have done? See, I will show you. Yes. See now number 1, wonder is curiosity. You all know, no? Wonder, curiosity. You have to learn the spelling as well. So, wonder, curiosity. What is the spelling? CURIOSITY. Curiosity. Always, at all times. Always, at all times. Number 3 is reaches. To come to. Reaches, to come to. See the spelling? TO2, COME, come, TO2. Reaches, to come to. Number 4 is cucumber. You all know, no? Cucumber. Yes, cucumber is a vegetable. So learn the spelling. It is not a fruit, it is a vegetable. Cucumber, a vegetable. Cucumber, vegetable. Learn it well. A VEGETABLE. 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 Cucumber, vegetable. Number 5, raining. Raining. To rain. Raining, rain. Okay, children, see again. Number 1, wonder, curiosity. Always, at all times. At all times. Reaches, to come to. Cucumber, a vegetable. Raining, to rain. Okay, children? So now see poem 8 meanings. See, these are the meanings of poem 8. So you all know no minds. Can you tell me what is the meaning of minds? We have done revision. So minds. Minds means, what minds means? Wendy Witter minds the kids. So she takes care of the kid. So minds take care. Minds take care. T-A-K-E. Take. C-A-R-E. Care. Take care. Minds take care. Okay. Number 2 is country. Do you know country? See here, there is a picture. Country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Now what is the meaning of country in the poem? Very good, those who are giving answer. So country means village. See the spelling of village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. Understood? Learn these words. Learn the meanings of the words. So, number 1, minds. M-I-N-D-S. Minds take care. So, what is the meaning of minds? Take care. Okay? Minds take care. See the spelling of take. T-A-K-E. Take. C-A-R-E. Care. Wendy Witter minds the kids. That means Wendy Witter take care of the kids, small kids. Okay, children? Number 2 is country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. So what is the meaning of country here? Country means village. See the spelling. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. Okay, children? So minds take care. Minds take care. Speak with me. Minds take care. Country, village. Country, village. Okay, children? So I hope you have learned these meanings. Okay? Now fill in the blanks. Say fill in the blanks. Number 1. Grandma goes to the. Where grandma goes? See, you have to fill here. Grandma goes to the market. Grandma goes to the market. See the spelling here. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. Market. Okay, children? So, grandma goes to the market. See again. Grandma goes to the market. Okay, children? So, learn the spelling of market. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Grandma goes to the market. Okay, children? Yes. Now see number 2. Grandma forgets her, there is a blank, at the shop. Fill in the blanks. Number 2. Grandma forgets her, then there is a blank, at the shop. You all know what grandma was carrying with her? Do you remember? Very good. Those who are reading, doing homework will know the answer. So, grandma forgets her umbrella. Very good. Umbrella. See the spelling? U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella at the shop. Grandma forgets her umbrella at the shop. Understood, children? Grandma forgets her umbrella at the shop. Now you all know, grandma forgets her umbrella at the shop. Okay, so grandma, first you read the sentence, then give answer. Okay? So read the sentence. Grandma forgets her at the shop. Grandma forgets her umbrella at the shop. Okay, children? Very good. Now say fill in the blanks. Number 3. Grandma always, see your always, and there is a blank, things. Read the sentence properly. Grandma always, there is a blank, things. Grandma always forgets things. See the spelling of forgets? F-O-R-G-E-T-S, forgets, things. Okay, children? Do you know this? Grandma always forgets things. Grandma always forgets things. Okay? Very good. Now, fill in the blanks. Number 4. To remember. To remember is the opposite of to. There is a blank. See, read the question first, sentence first properly, then fill blanks. Okay? So, number 4 blanks. To remember is the opposite of. What is to remember? What is the opposite of remember? Yes. To remember is the opposite of to forget. Okay, children? Number 4 is to remember is the opposite of to forget. F-O-R-G-E-T, forget. Okay, children? Very good. So, now fill in the blanks. Number 5. The things that you buy at a grocer's shop are called, see again, read if you have not understand. The things that you buy at a grocer's shop are called grocery. See the spelling? Grocery, grocery. Okay. The things that you buy at a grocer's shop are called grocery. Have you understood this? The things that you buy at a grocer's shop are called grocery. Okay, now see lesson number 7. Fill in the blanks. Okay, number 1. See, all fill in the blanks. The fill in the blanks which we have revised. Okay, children. So, number 1. Grandma goes to the. Now you all know. So, you have to answer. Grandma goes to the market. Grandma goes to the market. Grandma forgets her. Number 2 is grandma forgets her. What she forgets? Do you remember what she forgets? Umbrella at the shop. Grandma forgets her umbrella at the shop. Number 3 is grandma always forgets things. Grandma always forgets things. Okay. Number 4 is to remember is the opposite of to forget. To remember is the opposite of to forget. Okay. Sentence number 5. See. Fill in the blanks. 5. The things that you buy at a grocer's shop are called. See, read this again. The things that you buy at a grocer's shop are called grocery. Okay. So now see number 1. Grandma goes to the market. Okay. Grandma goes to the market. Grandma forgets her umbrella at the shop. Grandma forgets her umbrella at the shop. Number 3. Grandma always forgets things. See, grandma always forgets things. Number 4. To remember is the opposite of to forget. To remember is the opposite of to forget. Okay. Number 5. The things that you buy at a grocer's shop are called grocery. The things that you buy at a grocer's shop are called grocery. Okay? Very good. So now you all have done lesson 7. Fill in the blanks. Remember this. Okay, children? Now see, fill in the blanks. From the picture you can tell which fill in the blanks are going to come. Yes, poem number 8. Very good. So number 1. Nigel Naylor is a dash. Now who is Nigel Naylor? Here in the picture itself you can tell me. Number 1 is Nigel Naylor is a tailor. Okay. Nigel Naylor is a tailor. Okay, children. So now this fill in the blanks. Which fill in the blanks? This is of a doctor. So now see. Number 2 is Penny Proctor is a, just now I told. So what will be the answer? Penny Proctor is a doctor. See the spelling of doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Penny Proctor is a doctor. Learn well. Penny Proctor is a doctor. Okay, children. Now see, this fill in the blanks is about, which fill in the blanks? Can you tell me? Yes, regarding the farmer. Okay, you have seen the farmer. Who is farmer? Can you tell the name of farmer? Yes, Peter Palmer is a farmer. So, the fill in the blanks is number 3. Peter Palmer has cows, there is a blank, and sheep. Now what is Peter Palmer animals have? Which animals Peter Palmer have? Peter Palmer has cows, and there is a blank, and sheep. Can you tell me Peter Palmer has which animals? Name the animals. Yes, cows, then goats and sheep. Peter Palmer has cows, goats and sheep. Do you remember now? Which animal Peter Palmer is having? Very good. Cows, goats and sheep. Now see the spelling of goats. G-O-A-T-S, goats. It is not one goat, many goats are there. So we are writing S, no? So number 3, Peter Palmer has cows, goats and sheep. Okay, children? Yes. So now see which will come. Very good. About Wendy Veter. So what she do? Wendy Veter is a babysitter. What she do? She minds the kids when the parents are not at home. Okay. So this fill in the blanks is about Wendy Veter. Fill in the blanks number 4. Wendy Veter, then there is a blank, the kids. Wendy Veter, what will come here? Wendy Veter, can you tell? Wendy Veter, very good. Minds the kids. She minds the kids when the parents are not at home. Minds, you know what is the meaning of minds? Take care. Take care. Wendy Veter minds the kids. So M-I-N-D-S, minds. Wendy Veter minds the kids. Okay, children? So you all have done? Very good. Now see. This is of people. Picture is of people. So you know which fill in the blanks is going to come about people. Different people. Yes. From the picture only you will tell. Okay? So, people, then there is a blank, day and night. What people do day and night? This you all know. People work day and night to make the word go round, no? So, people work. See the spelling of work. W-O-R-K, work. People work day and night. People work day and night. Okay, children? Understood? So now you all have done this. People work day and night. See the spelling of work. W-O-R-K, work. Okay? Very good. Now see poem 8, fill in the blanks. See. In poem 8, fill in the blanks. All the blanks will come. Okay? Now you have to remember the answer. Okay? So number 1, Nigel Naylor is a dash. I will not give you answer just now. First we will see all the fill in the blank. Then I will ask you. Okay? So Nigel Naylor is a dash. Remember this. What is the answer here? Okay? So number 2. Penny Proctor is a dash. We have done just now, no? So you have to give me answer. Penny Proctor is a dash. Remember it. What is the answer? Okay, children. Number 3. Peter Palmer has cows. There is a blank. And sheep. Peter Palmer has cows and sheep. Now what is number 4? Wendy Witter dash the kids. You all know, no? Wendy Witter is a babysitter. So Wendy Witter, the kids. Number 5. People dash day and night. Okay, children? See now I will give you answer. You have known this answer? Remembered? Very good. See now I will show you answer. If you don't know, remember it. Nigel Naylor is a tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Penny Proctor is a doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Learn well. Penny Proctor is a doctor. Number 3. Peter Palmer has cows, goats and sheep. Number 4. Wendy Witter minds the kids. Number 5. People work day and night. Okay, children? Nigel Naylor is a tailor. Penny Proctor is a doctor. Peter Palmer has cows, goats and sheep. Wendy Witter minds the kids. People work day and night. Now you all have done fill in the blanks today. Okay, which fill in the blanks? Fill in the blanks of poem 7, lesson 7 and poem 8 of English. We have done revision of FA 3. So learn this fill in the blanks of lesson 7, poem 8. Okay, children? So now you all will do this. Learn well. Nigel Naylor is a tailor. Penny Proctor is a doctor. Peter Palmer has cows, goats and sheep. Wendy Witter minds the kids. People work day and night. Okay, children? Now you all read this well. Okay? You will do your homework now? Yes, do revision. Okay, children. So I hope you all will do it. So do revision. Whatever we have learned today, we have learned fill in the blanks. No, so do revision of fill in the blanks. Write down in your homework book one time and remember it. Okay, prepare for FA3. Okay, children, take care of yourself and thank you all.